Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Boomy Moore here, your Empower Me Now coach. And remember, you are more powerful than you know. Well, today I have a fun prosperity money creation exercise for you. But I'm going to start out with a question for you. Do you think rich people are comfortable with money because they have it? Or do they have it because they are comfortable with it? Think about that. Are they comfortable with it so they have it, or do they have it because they're comfortable with it? Well, the reason why rich people have money is because they are comfortable with money. They're comfortable with talking about it. They're comfortable with receiving it. They feel worthy, and so it flows to them. So I want to ask you today, how comfortable do you feel with money? How comfortable are you with things of prosperity and money? Or do you feel guilty when you talk about it? Do you feel maybe a little ashamed, like you shouldn't be focusing on money so much, and maybe you shouldn't be talking about it so much, or you shouldn't want it as much as you do? Well, in order for you to attract it into your space, you've got to feel comfortable with it. Know that you are worthy, that you are deserving, and feel good about riches. So here is an exercise to help you to feel more comfortable with money. I want you to go to the bank and I want you to get out a $100 bill, or perhaps $200 bills. And then I want you to wrap these $100 bills around some other bills. And now if you don't have other bills yourself, cut out some paper the size of a whole bunch of dollar bills and wrap it around there. Or get yourself some other bills to make the wad as big as you can make it. And you know what I want you to do with this? I want you to not spend it. I want you to carry this wad of money in your pocket, or carry this wad of money in your purse, so that every time you look in your purse, you see all the money that you have, because man, I'm rich. I feel so good about money. I always have it with me, and the money I have attracts more money. So you can feel deserving, so you get to feel good and comfortable with having lots of money. Now, you know what I want you to do sometimes? I want you just to take the money out. I want you to count it. 100, 200, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 3, 10, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 4. And just count out your money, okay? Take some time to play with, to count it out. Just to be, hey, it's no big deal. It's just money. But you're not going to spend it. This is just for you to get in the feeling of having money with you at all times, so that you can know that you are prosperous, you are abundant, it is with you, and it will always remain with you. Now listen, you may think that this exercise won't do anything, but it's powerful because your imagination doesn't know the difference. Your subconscious doesn't know the difference between when you are playing and imagining things or if it's real. And so this is your money, and you're going to count it, and you always have it, and you always have an abundance of it. And you're going to do this for 30 days. For 30 days, you're going to keep this wad of money on you. For 30 days, you're going to play with this money. For 30 days, you're going to be focused on knowing that you have lots of it. And guess what? The money that you have is going to attract more money. And as you get to feel good about it, and as you feel that you are worthy and deserving, and just have those awesome prosperous thoughts, you will start attracting more money and more prosperous conditions into your life. So join in with me for 30 days and play that money game. You know, I put out a post on Facebook the other day, and it had all the pictures of all of these wads of money. And I said something like, hey, if you could use more of this in your life, I want you to comment, I receive. And over 100 people commented, I receive, I receive. You know what that means? That means people want more of it. They want to be open to receiving it. So if you want to be open to receiving it, you've got to think good about it. Don't think that you can have thoughts that money is bad, rich people are greedy, money doesn't grow on trees, all those kinds of negative thoughts about money. Don't think you can have negative thoughts about money and positively attract it into your life. It just doesn't work like that. You've got to feel good about it if you want to be able to receive it. You know, When you put out those great feelings of love and of positivity and of good things about money, then guess what? You're opening yourself up for that abundance. And know this. Know that if you are a good person, I know you are, money is just going to make you more of what you are. So stop thinking that money makes people bad. No. Guess what happens? Money makes you more of what you already are. Money is neither good nor bad. It's just your thoughts about it that make it so. So know that you are a great person. And when you get these resources, guess what's going to happen? You're going to use this great money to do good things in the world. And so that's why you deserve it, because you know as you get it, then you're going to put more good out there into the universe. So join in with me. 30 days of prosperity by you keeping this money, wads of money on your person, knowing that you are worth it, you deserve it, you always have it, and money comes to you easily and frequently and in large amounts. This is Boomie Moore, your Empower Me Now coach. You are more powerful than you know. If you need to get in touch with me, 443-864-9440. I'll put this back in my purse, and I'll see you at the top.